Sabi po nila, ang pamilya daw is the basic unit of society, source of strength and our anchor. But what if the family is ruined? Kung ang pamilya ay ganong kahalaga, pinagmumula ng ating lakas at siya ang ugat na kinakapitan natin, paano kung ang pamilya ay dysfunctional? Napakalaking krimen at napakalaking kasalanan ng magulang to play favorites and to make it obvious. Kung minsan naman talaga sa loob mo, merong mas magaan ng loob, may mas gusto kang kasama, mas magkamukha kayo na ugali o mas magkamukha kayo ng nunal, so siya ang paborito mo. Pero para ipakita mo pa yon in an obvious way, magulang ka, dapat minamahal mo lahat ng iyong mga anak. Victims, wala kayong choice. Forgive. Because it's the only way you can be free from a terrible childhood. Pag hindi pa kayo nagpatawad, bihag pa kayo ng mga pangit na nangyari in the past. The only way to be free is to really forgive. So forgive because you're godly. And if you are not that godly, forgive because you're intelligent. Because it sets you free. Patawarin nyo na maybe your parents acted in ignorance. Maybe yung mga paborito nyong kapatid were young, so hindi nila alam how to balance it.